Hey guys, today we're going to finish going over reflexive pronouns and then we're going to move away from all nouns and go to verbs. So, yesterday we talked about reflexive pronouns, and it's when you would use like herself, myself, yourself, and it's referring back to the person they were talking about at the beginning of the sentence. Or if it's plural, more than one, like we, you would use like ourselves, yourselves. Again, it would be going back to talking about what the subject was or the noun was at the beginning of the sentence. And we went over the guided practice together. So you should have answered questions 1 through 4. You just had to choose the correct pronoun to complete the sentence. Nellie got blank some clay. And if we're talking about Nellie, herself. I covered blank with a smock. You're going back to I, that's one, singular. So I covered myself with a smock. That's kind of like an apron. 3, we made clay pots for blank. Talking about we, so we're talking about more than one, plural. We made clay pots for ourselves. And number 4, the boys worked quietly by what? You're talking about boys now, more than one, by themselves. You should have wrote the word themselves up there. Okay? So I hope you did good there. Now let's move on to verbs. So verbs, a verb is a word that tells what someone or something does or is. A verb can tell what's happening right now. So you have an action verb tells what someone or something does. I throw the ball. The ball drops through the hoop. A linking verb tells what someone or something is or is like. The words is, are, and am are linking verbs. They link the sentence together. Chrissy is our tallest player. Are all basketball players tall? I am on a basketball team. So you see these is, are, am, those keywords for linking verbs. All right. So action verbs are going to show action or do something. Okay. And linking verbs are going to link the noun, the beginning of the sentence, to the other part of your sentence. Okay. So hint, the linking verb is, are, and am can be the first word of a question. Example, is the game over? So just don't let that fool you. That can be the beginning of the sentence. We always think about a noun coming at the beginning, but a verb, a linking verb can come at the beginning. So number 1, this game is exciting. There's our linking verb. Our players run down the court. Okay. What's happening? Run. Chrissy catches the ball. Chrissy what? Catches. She jumps high. What does she do? She jumps. The ball bounces on the rim. What does the ball do? The ball bounces. And are we the winners? Remember what it said, example. It can come at the beginning. Are we the winners? That's your linking verb. Okay? If you have trouble with the next page, make sure you go back to your introduction with your examples. That's why they give you the examples, just like in our math workbook pages. They give you an example to read and to look at first. So make sure you use them. All right? And we'll go over the answers to this next week when we do our next lessons in language. All right. Have a great day.